Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to my technical hits new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you that how you can find the best editing software for your video like kinemaster. We can say it the alternative of kinemaster. It is named by Movavi. Movavi Clips, and I have its application Movavi Clips. So you have to go Play Store and set and write here Movavi Clips. As we search on Movavi Clips, it opens and it is demanding update option. So we update. Don't Don't be worried, it is going to complete in few seconds. Internet connection is fast, so it is not problem here. You can see its rating here and you can post rating here. You can see here everything about Movavi. 4.2.2 is version of Movavi and released on July 26, 2017, and we go back, and as it is updated we open it, join the beta. In the beta Movavi you have to pay money, which is difficult for us, like for students like us, so we use free version. Let's get started. As it completed updating, installing is started again. About this app, you can see rating here, reviews of many users. So open option is come, so we click on it. As it opens, this interface will be on the screen. So this is open now, and plus symbol show that you have to make any clip. So we click on the plus option, and this is asking that you are going to edit photo or you are going to edit video. So we go to video. I check any of the video from my albums, so I check this video. This is an interesting video, so don't mind. So you can see that it is very interesting video. So here you can add audio, which is you recorded, and here you can record your voice by voiceover, and here you can rotate the video same as like this. So I have to not rotate, so I am going to tell you aspect ratio of the video. 1:1 is good, So I click on this background of the video. Cannot apply to this video. You can apply this on high quality video because this is not. So move photo motion. Agar if you are editing a photo, then you can click on the photo motion. Move transactions left. If you want to do left, then you can click left, and if you want to do right, then you can click on right option. Then it is now option of speed, the speed limit which you want to keep in your video: 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8. It is very slow motion of the video, and it is high motion of the video. So I click on this, and you can see that now it will start video. So we click on stickers. You can buy here stickers, and you can use here free stickers which are on the screen below the video. And after that, you can add logo. You can add logo as I show you. I add logo of my channel. This is logo of my channel. You can resize it and adjust on your video. It is saying that you have to buy premium version to edit logos. So we have to delete logos because we have to do free editing. So if we have write any text on the video, then you can add text, and here you can. So I add some text to show you. As my name is Adnan Shah, so I write Adnan Shah, and here you can change its colors. As I like this color because this appears very light. So here you can check and here you can check and set any font. This is looking bad, so and you can choose any of this. So I choose this. As you click on this, it is saved now, and you can filter here your video. As any filter you can use your video. You can make this filter, you can use this filter, this, and I don't have need to use any filter because I am going to tell you. I am not doing a professional, but I am going to do that to tell you as a model. So I click on the duplicate. So our video is duplicated now. You can see here. So I don't click on play button because there is a fear of copyright strike. So we click on check, and here you can do settings in the mobile version, and here you can save your video. Here is the save option, and here is without save option, and without watermark. If you save your video without watermark, then it will charge subscription where you have to pay money. But I want to tell you free version, so click on the save button. Now it is saving, and I tell you after that it will not take much time because internet is not low quality, so it is completed. We can play here the video. As you can see that I have played video, and here you can share that video any of the software, and here you can finish the video. We can finish any video, start over. So this is home home screen of Movavi, and let's go to home screen. So meet let's meet again in the next video of the My Technical Hints YouTube channel. And if you like this video, then click on the like button and make it blue, and click on the subscribe button